Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make all ages favorite, Parotta. This is a long process, so hang on tight. Let's see the ingredients. I'm gonna need the dough. That's the first step to make Parotta. First, I'm gonna add salt. Then sugar. Next, oil. Now knead it. Next is the egg. Now knead it again. Next, I'm gonna add milk. Now we're gonna add water. Keep kneading the dough like this for 10 minutes. Then it will be fluffy. Knead the dough for 10 minutes using your palm so the dough is soft. I've been kneading the dough almost for 15 minutes. See how soft it is? I'm done kneading with the dough. Pour oil over the dough. Rest it for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and the dough is super soft. Next, we're gonna cut the dough and roll it into balls. Then we're gonna wait for 10 minutes again. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Take a big workspace like this and spread the dough as much as you can. Now we're going to prepare the parotta. The pan is also hot. The parotta looks so yummy. It is making me so hungry. Now we're going to add oil. Look at the parottas. They're layered beautifully. I am so tired and hungry. Let's eat it right now. It is so good. It is also super duper soft. This goes well with chicken sauna and mutton sauna or any other gravies. You guys also try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye!